up? It's Goggles. This is some DVR from Saturday that I got to shoot. Just been running around all over the place since the weekend. So yeah, here's all the DVR from Saturday. And the next video is gonna be a short little bit of DVR from Sunday. I was flying with Will C and Joe Fotoleo. That was super fun. They're super cool dudes to kick it with. But yeah, this is some DVR from Saturday. So yeah, I hope you guys like my boring, shitty, trashy, dirty analog DVR. Let's go watch that. Woo!
Walk, walk high, breathing it out. Walk, walk through the day out loud. Walk, walk high, feeling it out. Walk, walk by, suddenly. Walk, walk high, breathing it out. Walk, walk through the day out loud. Where's my place? I'm gonna go and find somewhere else. Where's the grace? Where's the grace? Did I let it slip away? Where's the tape? Where's the tape? Where's the tape? Where's the tape? Somewhere, baby, somewhere. I'm gonna take you away. I'm gonna take it away. I'm gonna take it away.
Hey, if you're still here watching, shout out to all these pilots, wherever it's gonna show up. I don't know, I didn't edit it yet. So I'm still here shooting this, looking at looking at you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone watching my little changey little cheap channel. It's super cool. I get to go out and do stuff like this and go fly around parking lots and stuff like that, and people watch it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.